Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing a very important topic that is about SQL Server connections. As we all know, Microsoft SQL Server is a multi-user database. Multi-user means to say many users, many people can concurrently access the data from different locations. But sometimes what happens is, let's say there is an application which is going to perform some exclusive operation. Exclusive operations, for example, if we talk in the context of busy application, when we're trying to delete certain company or we are trying to delete certain financial year, or if we are planning to update master balances, or we are going to change financial year, these are known as exclusive operations in busy. So if there are any user which is working on the company right now, Busy won't allow to delete or perform the exclusive operation. So for that, as per the Busy recommendation, we have to close the company and log off all the users and then reopen it. But sometimes what happens is, even though we are closing and reopening the company multiple times, the active connections are still exist. So to perform the exclusive operation, the necessity is to close each and every connection which is there on the company database. So to overcome this particular problem, we have developed a tool that is close connection utility. If you want to do it a standard way, then what you need to do is you have the option to either you go and restart SQL Server service or you reboot the server. It will close all the connection. But the problem in this approach is when you are stopping the SQL Server service or you are rebooting the server, it will affect all other companies. The users, those are working in other companies, they will also be stopped. So what we want to achieve is we just want to close the active connections on a particular company on a particular database. So let's see how we want to do that. So for example, let's say there is a company and we want to change or create the new financial year, and we see this error message. Some other user is working in this company can proceed for changing financial year. To fix this problem, there are three options. As per busy recommendation, we should close the company and reopen it. So let's try that. As you see, we just closed the company and reopened it, but the error message is still is. We just need to close the connection on this particular company. So how we gonna achieve that? So for this, first you need to close this company and you need to go to Workfast MTW. Just run the application. You'll find BG management option. You go there, click on financial year manager. You select SQL Server, type all, and hit go. You find out the company. This is the company 301. You can filter that company also here, and you can right click on this company and say close connection, and you are done. Let's try if the problem is fixed or not. So you can see that error message is no longer exist. That means this utility is very powerful utility, and it closes the all active connection specific to this particular company. We have another option, close connection deep. Sometimes what happens is that there are orphan connections on database, and in 0.1% cases you will find that the close connection option is not helpful. Then you can choose close connection deep. The close connection deep option, what it does, it goes down deep and finds out the orphan connections or connections that are in incomplete state. It just clears them off, and you are good to go. So next time if you face this problem, you can use this utility, Workfast MTW. Thank you so much.